I've been seeing Limewash walls all over Pinterest lately, and here are some of the inspo photos. It's super gorgeous and it has a very organic look to it, which is perfect for a lot of interior design styles like Japandi and Wabi Sabi. So if you're interested in creating the same look, keep on watching because I'm going to show you how you can create your own Limewash paint. But before we start, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future DIY and home improvement videos. I have so many more projects to share with you, so with that being said, let's begin. This is what the room looked like when we first moved in. There were a lot of stains and holes in the walls, and the overhead light was also not working, so the room was really dark and uninviting. I wanted the room to feel warm and organic, so Limewash was a perfect medium to achieve that look. For this project, we will need an acrylic mineral-based primer, hydrated lime, natural pigments, alum salt, a wide stain brush, any tools to mix the Limewash mixture. You can use a whisk, and lastly, paint rollers for the primer. All the materials used today will be listed in the description down below, and stay tuned at the end of the video where I show you a breakout of all the costs. Limewash needs to be applied onto a porous surface to adhere properly. And traditionally, Limewash was applied to brick and stone walls. However, in our case, we're working with an interior wall with a layer of paint already on top, so we'll need to prime the walls. We use a Zinsser bin primer, but any acrylic mineral-based primer will work. The purpose of the primer is to create a strong bond between the surface and the Limewash. It also fills the pores and crevices, creating a smooth and consistent texture to ensure that the Limewash adheres beautifully. Apply an even and thin layer of primer using a brush or a roller. And once our primer is dry, it's time to make our Limewash mixture. You'll need hydrated lime, which you can find at most major hardware stores. It should cost around $12 for 50 pounds. I bought this brand from Amazon for $70 because I didn't do my research, so learn from my mistake and just go to the hardware store. Limewash needs a lot of water to cure properly, and without it, your final product can end up very powdery. To ensure your walls cure properly, Limewash needs to be applied in 3 different layers: the primer, wash, and patina coat. The primer and patina coat is essentially a very diluted version of your main wash. For the primer and patina coat, you'll want a ratio of 1 part alum salt, 1 part natural pigments, 10 part of the hydrated lime powder, and 40 parts of water. The consistency of the primer and patina coat should be similar to milk. I know it looks like horchata, but do not drink this. For the main wash coat, you'll want to mix up a ratio of 1 part alum salt, 1 part natural pigments, 10 parts of the hydrated lime powder, and 20 parts of water. The consistency should be similar to yogurt. Alum salt is added to the Limewash to improve adhesion, durability, and enhance the color retention. And this is a brand that I bought from Amazon. You'll want to dissolve the alum salt with a little bit of hot water. In retrospect, I think boiling on top of a stovetop would have been easier. Don't worry, alum salt is actually originally used to pickle vegetables, so this is food safe. For the natural mineral pigments, I used a light yellow ochre, a natural umber, and a burnt umber. The ratio of pigments depends on what color you're going for, but I used 1 part yellow ochre, 1 part umber, and about a 5th part of the burnt umber. And in addition to those 3 colors, I also used a sienna color for my feature wall, which you'll see towards the end of the video. In a large container, you want to mix the hydrated lime and the water together. I used a dry wall attachment for drills, but you can also use a whisk. And my fiance wants to remind us to wash the attachment immediately after, or else the Limewash will harden onto the tool. Using a wide brush, you want to dip the tip into the Limewash and make cross hatches onto the wall. Continue to make clusters of X's and connect them in between. Note that the color of the Limewash will dry up to 60% lighter than the color it appears when you first apply it to the wall. If the Limewash has dried and you feel that the color is a little too light, you can add more natural pigments to your mix. We decided to Limewash the ceiling as well to give it a very cohesive look. We did about 1 coat of the primer and patina wash and about 4 coats in the main wash.
Did we do it right?
Yay! Remember to trust the process because it's going to look 60% darker when it's wet. and I thought the room looked so cool when it was drying at night because it looked like a cave. Here are some of the pros and cons of why you should or should not do Limewash on your walls. The benefit of using Limewash is its breathability. It allows the surface to regulate humidity and prevent mold growth, which can help with indoor air quality. It's made out of natural ingredients like lime, water, and pigments, so it's an eco-friendly choice. And unlike many modern paints, it doesn't emit harmful volatile organic compounds. But the reason why I love Limewash is because of its soft, aged, and organic look, which complements interior design styles like Japandi and Biophillic Designs. Its textural quality and natural color palette mimics the outdoor elements, which brings a touch of nature into your space. Let me know in the comments below if you want a video diving into the different design styles. And here are some of the cons. Unlike modern paints, Limewash is less durable, so it may need frequent touch-ups, which requires you to Limewash the entire wall to prevent it from looking patchy. It's susceptible to stains, so it's not suitable for high-traffic areas like the kitchen. The application is labor intensive since it requires many coats, and lastly, the color choices are limited, and achieving an even color can be challenging. But with all that being said, I still love my Limewash walls. Here, I'm painting the last patina coat, which serves as the feature wall. I'm also using the Sienna pigment to achieve this look. So I wanted to test out the air purifying properties, so I placed my toilet in the center of the room. I'm joking, of course. The contractors put it there because we're renovating. But with all jokes aside, it's time for the big reveal. As a reminder, this is the before. And this is the after. So how did you think it turned out? This was my first time working with Limewash, and personally, I'm pretty happy with the results. I love the organic textures, and there's something so beautiful about the imperfect nature of Limewash. And as promised, here's the total cost for the Limewash walls. The total for the project was $259 USD. Now keep in mind, if I had bought the hydrated lime from a hardware store, the total cost would have been about $200. Also note that the cost varies depending on how large your surface area is. But I think overall, if you're interested in creating a Limewash wall, making your own paint is still more cost effective than buying it pre-made. If you recreated this project, please tag me on TikTok and Instagram. I would love to see it. It's at Kelly's Beehive. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have so many more videos on DIY home improvement coming your way, and a lot of times it's actually my first time doing it, so come along with me on an adventure. If I can do it, you can too. With that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye!